Hi, everybody. Welcome to the second part of our conference today. I hope you've been really enjoying the workshops and the chatting to each other. We were super lucky this morning to have Dilly Fung join us from London, UK. And what we have today is, sorry, I'm having some problems with sound here. Rookie error there. I'm really sorry, folks. We were very lucky this morning to have Dilly Fung join us from London, UK. And we're equally privileged this afternoon to have Chris Watling, who is going to join us from London, Ontario. I'm not going to say very much about Chris because he's going to share aspects of his biography with you as he does his presentation this afternoon. What I will say he is that many of us know Chris, we know his work, and for me he embodies the very things that Dilly was talking about this morning in terms of rethinking scholarship and the scholarship of education, the scholarship of educational leadership, and perhaps going back to Boyer, the scholarship of discovery, of really engaging with some of the thorny and knotty issues of our work as clinical educators and taking a very scholarly approach in order to be able to do that. So with no further ado, actually, I am going to hand over to Chris so he can tell you more of his journey.